If you want to quickly pixelate part of an image in Pixlr, whether it's a face, text, license plate, or any other private detail, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. It's a simple effect, but once you know where the tools are, you can do it in just a minute or two. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Pixlr website. Once the editor loads, click Open Image and choose the file you want to edit. This will bring your photo into the workspace so you can start making changes right away. If you're working on a sensitive image, always take a moment to make sure you're editing the correct file before you continue. Now that your image is open, the next step is to select the exact area you want to pixelate. On the left toolbar, you'll see selection tools like Marquee Select and Lasso Select. If the area is a clean rectangle or square, the Marquee Select tool is a great choice. If the shape is more irregular, like a face outline or an object with curves, the Lasso Select tool gives you more freedom. Click the tool you want, then click and drag directly over the area you need to conceal. Try to be as accurate as possible here, because the selection determines exactly what will be pixelated. If you need to adjust it, you can always undo and try again until it looks right. This is especially useful when you only want to hide part of a photo without affecting the rest of the image. Once your selection is in place, go to the top navigation bar and open the filter menu. This is where Pixlr keeps a lot of its creative and editing effects. From the drop-down, click Pixelate. The effect will only apply to the selected area, which is exactly what we want for this tutorial. After that, you'll see an amount or cell size slider. This is the setting that controls how strong the pixelation looks. If you move the slider lower, the blocks will be smaller and the effect will look more subtle. If you move it higher, the blocks become larger and the image gets much more blurred into a mosaic style. Adjust it until you get the level of privacy or visual style you want. For hiding faces or text, a stronger pixel effect usually works best. Take a second to preview the result and make sure the area is covered properly. If the blocks are too small, increase the cell size. If they're too aggressive, reduce it slightly until it looks balanced. The goal is to make the hidden section unreadable while keeping the rest of the image clean and sharp. When you're happy with the effect, click Apply to confirm the pixelation. This locks in the change and finalizes the filter on your selected area. Then press Ctrl+ to clear the selection outline, so the marching ants disappear and your image looks finished and polished. At this point, your image is ready to save and export. Make sure to save a copy in the format you need, especially if you plan to upload it online or share it with others. And just like that, you've successfully pixelated part of an image in Pixlr without needing advanced photo editing skills. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and practical editing guides. It really helps the channel grow and it lets me make more videos like this for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.